Chances are, what you've been calling paella all these years was simply a rice dish. Good, perhaps, but not paella. A true paella is made with tomatoes, garlic, saffron, stock, rabbit or chicken, and snails, all nestled in an al dente bomba rice. I visited Valencia Club Cocina to make paella. After peeling, chopping, de-stringing, crushing, and mashing the ingredients while drinking copious amounts of Spanish wine, my new friends and I enjoyed a delicious meal together. The paella was great. Then I visited Chef Toni, just outside of Valencia City, who is famous for his paella and for just being a larger-than-life cooking, farming personality. His abundant fields of produce stretched across Valencia's plains. Big plots of lettuce, artichoke, tomatoes, onions, beans, eggplants, corn, garlic, herbs of all kinds wrapped around Tony's farm stand cum restaurant, right there in front of a traffic light and orchard stretching to the distance behind them. Chickens and kittens scurried out from underfoot as he hustled, yes, we almost ran, through the fields gathering the freshest produce for a meal. There were 5 huge paella pans in one long grill along the back wall, with separate wood fires beneath each. Eating with Tony should be required when visiting Valencia. Go soon. I enjoyed everything I ate. The paella was spectacular. Visit Valencia soon.